Today we're going to replace the hood struts on the 99 Ford F150. And it's original struts, so they're finally giving out. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Now with more beard. Let's get to it. So, got the hood up. Found a piece of wood. Luckily enough, it holds the hood as high as it can get. Because once you take one of these struts off, the hood will come crashing down. Other thing on these trucks, the original hoods are aluminum, so they take a 4478 strut. I think it's 44 pounds. If you had a replacement aftermarket steel hood, you need stronger struts, so make sure you get the right ones. I'll put the links in the description of the parts. Instructions? We don't need no stinking instructions. It's pretty simple. These things just pop on the ball studs at either end, so pop them off with a pry bar, pop the new ones on. See if we can get this with one hand. We might not be able to. No. Oh, here we go. There we go. Anyway, pop them all off, pop the new ones on in place, and that's all there is to it. This side's a little harder to pop off, so put a piece of wood between the pry bar and that, and we'll need two hands to do it. So we'll be back. There's a new one. Make sure you put it on with the gas part, the bigger part up. And literally, it goes on easier than it comes off for sure. And then that's it. That's one side done. The other side is identical, so I won't show that. Here we go. Picks up the hood decisively. And that'll do it. But thanks for watching. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Hope to see everybody on another video soon. We do train videos, car show videos, auto repair, construction stuff. Cats. You name it, we have it.